Hey everybody, on today's video out in the garden, Lizzie likes to grow a lot of flowers in her garden, which hey, I'm all for. Way better than buying them at the store. But anyway, to get started for the next year, then you got to clean up the old ones. So we'll do that today. Alright, so what I use to clean up the old debris from last year's flowers is I actually used my DEWALT 20 volt max hedge trimmer and a rake. But here, I'll show you. It's actually fairly simple. The rabbits actually helped us out this year a little bit because with the snow we had this year that we haven't had the last few years, the rabbits seem to just eat everything. But here, I'll just show you quick how I do this. Yeah, there we go. It makes quick work of it. Hedge trimmer does a perfect job. Then I'll just show you. Yeah, just rake it up. And then it'll be ready to till, and she can plant more flowers, and she'll have her garden going for the year. So, as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.